Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic fuel pump. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, you must relieve the fuel system pressure to avoid dangerous fuel spray. This critical step prevents accidents and ensures a safer working environment. Finally, gather all your tools, including a socket set, screwdrivers, and a fuel line disconnect tool, to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's locate the fuel pump. In most Honda Civic models, you'll find the fuel pump assembly conveniently located under the rear seat cushion. Carefully remove the seat, and then the access panel or carpet that covers the fuel tank unit. Once exposed, you'll see the electrical connectors and fuel lines. Take your time to disconnect these components, being mindful of any residual fuel.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial advice. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the fuel lines and electrical connections detached, it's time to remove the old pump. You'll typically find a large retaining ring or several bolts securing the fuel pump assembly to the tank. Use the appropriate tool to unscrew or unbolt these fasteners. Carefully lift the entire assembly out, being cautious not to damage the fuel level sender. Take a moment to inspect the tank's interior for any sediment. Now for the installation of your new fuel pump. Ensure you use a new gasket or O-ring to prevent leaks. Carefully lower the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, aligning it correctly. Secure it by tightening the retaining ring or bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect all the fuel lines and electrical connectors, ensuring they are snug and properly seated for a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.